So this is how to install fog light switch on a 2016 and up Nissan Titan. So you're gonna have two of these little Phillips screws, one right there and one over here. Then your OBD2 connector. There's little tabs here and there, and then you just pull it backwards and then it'll come out. And then I've already kind of pre-done this. You'll just pry on the plastic and it'll come out there, 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 and then as well as on this side here, there and there. So, and then if you don't have fog lights like mine doesn't, it comes pre-wired and it's taped up. So all you gotta do is undo the tape, and then you're gonna unscrew this whole little block of switches, and then plug in this, plug in the connector on the back, and put it all back together, and that's how you do it. You're welcome, YouTube.